Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Moto Gang. Now I'm going to remove the door handle, side mirror, and also for removing the side mirror I need to remove the door trim for the Genesis G80. Okay, let's do it. First you need to remove that rubber from the armrest and this cup inside the interior. Oh, they added some LED, that's why I have the cable here. So anyway, I didn't bring the driver, sorry. So 2 screws here. And one here. Now try to find it. Okay. Don't worry, all this plastic key. Okay. And then in the after you put the key, just hold it up. It's gonna come up. This rail sitting here. Okay, so how many cable they added here? So don't need to remove a door trim because I want to remove that. This is the way how you have to remove the door trim, because those are people at the owner at the LED for here, and then inside the interior door handle. That's why. So for removing this trim, here at the corner, here, this area, you have really small rivet like that, and then after that, those are just ready to come out. Okay, so let's see here, 3 10mm socket. Okay, then here, take out, unplug the cable. And then always for the side mirror, most of the side mirror have 3 nuts. After you remove 2 for the last one, if you have someone to help you, better. But if you know, for the last one you can hold the side mirror with your other hand, so you're not going to drop or break anything. Okay, this is how you have to remove side mirror. And now we're going for the door handle. Okay, here inside you have the one plastic tab is cover the hole. And then if you see the inside, I think it should be 8mm, not 10mm. Let me bring that in. This got something, they changed it because I think many times, because when I opened the bumper, also I saw many bolts missing. Then Don't need to worry about the bolt because this plastic going to hold it. Need to open. Yeah. Why not coming out? That's why I think this is not right for this car. I have sometimes when they just bolt doing like that with the tools like this, holding the bolt and then try to open it. Okay, now bolt coming out. After this cup coming, just slide in the door handle like that and then take it out. Okay, for putting the back, again do the reinstall after. Put the rubber inside. Korean car putting door handle much easier than like European car. You don't need to hook something. Put like that and then do it like this. You get it now? Like this. And then after you put the cup back, door handle will work. So, okay. This is the way how you can remove the door trim, side mirror, and door handle of the Genesis G80 Sport. And I think from 2014 until now gonna be same because they didn't change it. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, share my video, comment below, give me any tips, any idea, I will accept it and I will answer by myself. Thank you for watching. See you next time.